Hello dear friends, welcome to OC Hair Lunch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video and whatever you're watching us from. You are highly welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so that whenever we upload new video, you will get our notifications. For this channel will bring amazing styles, latest hairstyles, trending hairstyles, we bring them on this channel. So my elegant women in the house, today we have ponytail hairstyles for every woman, for cute ladies. Simple but nice hairstyles that you make it stand out in the crowd. We have amazing styles. Believe when I say we have carefully selected the most amazing styles that you don't want to miss. Make sure you watch to the end so that you will make your beautiful choice and pick your favorite. Got amazing designs on this channel? Feel free to go to our channel for other latest and amazing styles. This channel got you covered for latest and trending hairstyles. I'm sure you don't want to miss any of our styles. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'll be alerted as soon as we drop new video. We got beautiful styles ideas on this channel that will make you stand out on the crowd. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Please like and share this video. Okay, bye.